Stray kids everywhere, all around the world. Hey! As you can see from the thumbnail, I'm reacting to Stray Kids. This is my first video reacting to a boy group. This is one of the boy groups that I stan, and I'm really excited because I've seen the teaser, this one, and then the other teaser, the cute version, this one, right? So, without any further ado, let's react to it. I'm sure the editing is so on point. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Woo! This is nice. Yes. Champagne. Oh, wait, the caption. Wait a second. Alright. Woo! Woo. It's just the first verse and woo! The outfit changed, bro. Wait. Whoa! Bangchan! No. Oh. Alright. What? Hey, who's that? Wait. Woo, Hyunjin! Coming back stronger than ever, bro. Nice. No. No. Woo. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god, let me serve them. Felix. Whoa. Woo! Look at that transition, bro. Woo! Whoa! Oh, I love that. Whoa! Oh my god, Felix. All right. Yeah. No. Changbin juga. Oh, honey. What's your problem? Yes. Woo. Yes. I love the setting. Wait.
Wait a minute.
Whoa! Did you see that? I finally caught a detail. That's Felix, right? Doing this. Whoa. 대박. Wow, that's so cool. Hey. Oh my god! Look at her. Look at this hair. So cute. Ah, cute. Hey. Hey. Ooh. Ooh. Nice, 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 nice. What? How's that? How's that choreo, man? Ooh. Hey. Oh my god, no! Hyung! No! Aish. Whoa! Yes. Oh! You can't. You won't. I won't let it slip. Whew. Hey, Felix! Woo! Ah! Ah! What is that? What? Okay, whatever. Oh. Alright, alright. Woo! Ooh! Hey! Hey! Twit, twit, twit! Oh! Whoa, what is that? Is that a transition from Han to Hyunjin? Hey, dance break, bro! Hey! Whoa, this is so cool though. Whoa. Oh wait, I remember the same setting. It's like EXO Slay. Like the similar setting, I think. Like a dynasty kind of setting. Ah! Bang Chan, Bang Chan, Bang Chan, Bang Chan. Wait. My god. Why is he so open? That's illegal. That should be illegal. It should be. Damn. Damn! Woo! Alright, guys. Wow. This is amazing. I love it. The transition, as usual, from Stray Kids is amazing. The raps, the verse, amazing. But I think I didn't. There are members that had a least line, I think. But that's okay though. It's still dope. I love it, especially Bangchan. Oh my god, I'm so confused right now. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy my reaction to this MV, which I'm excited about. In the next video, I probably wait for another group to come back. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next content. Bye!